Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to ifactioner.com's Learn Muslim Girls' Names with Meanings video tutorial series. Let's start. Aabidah means worshipper. Aabidah means fragrant, fleeting. Aabish means daughter of Saad. She was a queen of Iran. Aadab means hope and need. Aadilah means just, upright, sincere, righteous. Aafiya means vigor, vitality. Aafreen means brave, acclaim. Aafrin means appreciation. Aaidah was the name of a narrator of Hadith. Aisha was the name of the beloved wife of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It means well-living woman. Akifa means devoted, dedicated, a lady who worships Allah in solitude. Aliyah means exalted, highest social standing. Aliyah means sublime. Alima means woman scholar, authority. Aliyah means tall, towering, high, exalted, to ascend. Amal means hopes, aspirations. Amila means righteous, a woman doing good deeds. Amna means secured, safe woman. Amna was the name of the mother of the Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. Aamira means a woman inhabiting in a place, prosperous or full of life. Anisa means a young lady, virgin, unmarried or chaste woman, maiden, friendly. Akila means an intelligent woman. Arifa means skilled, recognizing Allah. Arifa, women who recognizes Islam. Arzu means desire, wish. Asma means protector, defendant, a woman who saves others. Asiya means lady doctor. She was a pharaoh's wife who embraced Islam. Asma means excellent, precious. Atika means shoulder, a beautiful lady, a lady of honourable family background. Atira means good fragrance. Abasa was the name of the daughter of Al-Mahdi. Aabidah means worshipper. It is Aabidah. Aabir means fragrance. Aabirah means sandal saffron mixed in fragrance. Aabiya means great. Abla means perfectly formed, full-figured. Abkura means genius. Abra means example, lesson. Ada means to perform, grace, elegance, charm. Adara means virgin, beauty. Adiba means civilized, cultured. Aadilah means equal. Adra means young lady, virgin, unmarried, woman. Adiba means cultured, polite. Aadilah or Aadilah means equal, like. Adiva means pleasant, gentle. Afifa means pure, virtuous, modest, holy in life, or of spotless character. Afra means white, earth-colored. It was a name of a Sahabiya. Afra means happiness. Afraima means fruitful. Aafrin means learned, expert, authority, appreciation. Afroza means fire, burning, polishing. Afroz means brightening. Afsana means fable, fiction, romance. Afshan means small silver or golden particles used by women to adorn their face and hair. Glitter, sparkle, adornment aids. Ahad means pledge, knowledge. Ihlam means dreams. Ihlam, witty, one who has pleasant dreams, imaginative, or dreams. Aafia means guilty but beautiful. Aaidah means visiting, returning. Aaidah means visiting, returning, reward. Vigor means righteous woman. An means precious. I. Annie means spring, flower, source, choice. Ajiba means she was a narrator of a Hadith. Akifa means intent, busy. Akila means wise. Akila means intelligent, logical, one who reasons. Acclaim means the first step. Akshiti means victorious, peace. Alia means virtuous. Alima means knowing, knowledgeable, very learned woman. Alhena means a ring. Aliyah means exalted, noble, highest social standing. Ali means highest or greatest. Alima means a woman of learning, scholar. Alina means noble. Aisha means protected by Allah. Aliyah means sublime, exalted, to ascend. Alia means exalted, noble. Aliza means joyous. Almas means a diamond. Almira means truth without question, exalted princess. Althea means sincere. Aludra means virgin. Alia means sublime or lofty. Alzena means the woman. Al-Zubra means a star in the constellation Leo. Amma means a female servant, a maid servant. Amal means hopes, aspirations. Amala means hopes, aspirations, hope. Amani means wish, trust, and aspiration or desire. Amatullah means female servant of Allah. Amber means ambergris. Aafreen means perfumed. Amber is a reddish-yellow precious jewel. Umbra means after the gemstone. Umbrim means of ambergris.